Today, we are going to transplant an iPhone 13 battery cell. Battery health is 80%. We have to test the airtightness of mobile phones before maintenance. And check the condition of this phone. We start testing. The cell phone is leaking. Plastic sheet with alcohol. Put down the suction cup and fix it. This knob has torque. Suck the screen up slowly to give it a lift. Then use this plastic blade with alcohol. Take the screen apart and the screen will be safely opened. Then we started to turn over the screen. It was found that this phone had been repaired before. It should be expanded memory now. Remove the screen. After removing the motor and speaker, it is easier to remove the battery glue. Wipe it clean inside. Clean the battery glue. Then clean up the remaining waterproof adhesive. This is the effect after cleaning. Now we start cleaning the screen. Now we start to transplant the battery cell. Transplanting a battery cell means taking off the cable from the original battery. Then weld this cable to a new battery cell. This time we use laser welding. The remaining lithium battery sheet and nickel sheet do not need to be beaten. This is our own branded battery cell. We just need to weld this cable to the new battery cell with a laser machine. Welding complete. This is the effect after spot welding. Stick the insulation sticker of the first layer. Install the protective cover for the cable. The second insulating sticker is also attached. In this way, this battery cell is already transplanted. Stick this original battery adhesive. Install the battery protection plate on our newly made battery. Find another original old battery. After installing, open the mobile phone and pop up the window. The purpose of the pop-up window is to make the battery calibrate better in the future. Just pop up this important battery information. Install the battery and press back and forth in the tool 3 times. Remove the protection plate of the original battery. Stick the original waterproof adhesive sticker. After pasting, we need to use this pressure plate to keep the waterproof adhesive sticker for the first time bonding, with a pressure of 75 kilograms. Maintain pressure for 30 seconds. Pressure holding is complete. Install the screen. Carry out the second pressure holding. After holding pressure is completed, screw on the bottom screw. Then, after we finished the repair, we saw if we had restored the waterproof and dustproof performance of the original mobile phone. Test it before repair and after repair. Now we begin to test the pressure needs to reach -20 holding pressure for 20 seconds. The pressure must remain above 19 within 20 seconds. Countdown to pressure keeping. The mobile phone has recovered the waterproof and dustproof performance of the original factory. Now the battery is 81% healthy. To transplant battery cell of IP series and above, you need to use them like this is to charge it for 1 more hour after it is fully charged. Then use the mobile phone to shut down automatically. This cycle goes back and forth 3 to 5 times. Basically, this battery is stable and can be used normally. Have you got it?